everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a few Stitch Fix Freestyle items. Some of you recall my mother-in-law gave me for my birthday back in December, and now we're in February, a gift card, and I still haven't been able to spend it. I keep buying things, some work out, some don't, some I send back. So this should be the last of it if I keep everything, but I don't think I'm going to be keeping everything in this either. All right, so first to show you is this jumpsuit by, I think it's Good American? Yes, by Good American. The list price on this jumpsuit was $180, but I only had to pay $100 because I had the rest of that gift card. So this jumpsuit, it's denim, right? It has, let's see, some, I'm gonna say like kind of cinches in the waist here that is adjustable. So if I need it tighter or there's another snap there I can use, which I doubt will be the case. It does have back pockets, okay? It has a zip up the front, which hopefully won't be like pulling and tight on me. There is quite a bit of stretch for this. It is kind of a thicker material, just letting people know. And I would say it is a boot cut leg, which hopefully it won't be too long on me. I'm really looking forward to trying this on. I really hope this works out, but we shall see. The next thing I got, and I know I paid too much for this, but I wanted it. And I'll list the links below. This is by House of Wants. We Are Allure Small Hobo in this cute little houndstooth. I just thought this was just so cute. So the inside does come with a dust cover, all right? But there is no crossbody or anything like that. It is just like a little shoulder bag like this. And I just thought this was really cute. And it was one of those things I've been looking at it and looking at it. And I'll hardly ever wear it, but I didn't want to let it go. So I ordered it. Okay, sorry about that. I had a cough, so I turned off the camera to cough, so you didn't see me cough, and now it's back on. The last thing I got was one of you recommended to me these. These are the Pistola Ellery High Rise Wide Leg Pleated Trouser. And I got my normal size, which I think was a mistake. They're by Pistola, and I got them in a 0 petite, all right? I think I needed a size up on these. Typically, when I get pants without any kind of stretch, I do need to size up, but we'll see. And I'm a little skeptical about these too. I am looking for casual tan pants. I think these might be too casual from what I'm looking for, and I don't know about these pleats, but we're gonna try them on and see how they look. They do have faux pockets here in the back and the slash pockets in the front. And they are a wide flare leg, but we'll give them a try, see how they look. And again, these were not cheap. These were Stitch Fix exclusive. So if I end up returning these, more money is gonna go back onto that gift card and I'm back to where I started again. Give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, the jumpsuit, I would have to size up at least 2 sizes to get that on. It was zippers, right? The zipper was here, the zipper was here. I mean, I couldn't even lie on the bed and zip it up. That's how far apart it was. I'm not quite sure who would fit into that. So I have on the Pistola pants instead. And these are a wide leg pant, but they're kind of short. Like, I would not feel comfortable wearing heels with these. I don't know if they're supposed to be cropped. It wasn't in the description. But these just come to the top of my ankle wearing my flats, my loafers. And excuse the socks, I just threw on socks with the loafers. So I don't think these are particularly flattering on me. I don't know why I keep trying pleats, but they all pucker out here in the front and I think just add volume, which is something I do not care for. This is the last area that I want to add volume in. I want to showcase that my stomach is more or less flat, not poofed out like this. So I'm going to be returning these and thus get the money back on this gift card and try and use it again. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I'm sorry this is such a short try-on. Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up. Take care until next time.